woodpecker over there on the bird feeder. Suet. It's wet bird stuff. They love that shit. And get a rural king out there. Woodpecker food. He's loving it. That's a real woody woodpecker right there. Pretty cool out in the backyard at home. Never seen him when I was a kid around here. That's for sure. Been around this neighborhood 59 years. I ain't never seen a woodpecker. Pretty cool, man. He's over there munching. It's a wet bird feed. That suet, whatever, however you say it. I'm not sure what he's eating. The other side's got sunflower seeds and stuff for blue jays and cardinals and stuff. I like that too. It's on the other side of it. There's two of them on there. There he went.